Old Sacramento State Historic Park is a charming district located along the Sacramento River. It's a well-preserved area that transports visitors back to the 19th century, particularly during the Gold Rush era. The park features numerous historic buildings, many of which have been converted into museums, shops, and restaurants. The river played a vital role in transporting goods and people, and today, it's a popular tourist destination with historic buildings, museums, and riverboat cruises, offering a glimpse into its rich past.